This is a map service definition file for ArcGIS. It prepares a map to be published to a server. You need ArcGIS Desktop to edit the publishing settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the workflow. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single MSD file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A map service definition, MSD file, is a single, highly portable file used by ArcGIS for Server to publish map services. It encapsulates all the necessary components of a map, including the map document, not MXD, data, and service properties, into one easily shareable package. This simplifies the deployment process and ensures consistency across different server environments. MSD files are optimized for fast rendering and efficient data transfer over the web. They are created using the ArcGIS Desktop software and are designed to be deployed on ArcGIS Server. The internal structure of an MSD file is proprietary to Esri and is optimized for their server architecture, enabling efficient caching and scaling of map services. For comprehensive file management, MSD relies on ArcGIS for Server developed by Esri. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the MSD file and choose Open With. Start with ArcGIS for Server if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your MSD file will not open, do not worry, we've got this under control. If the MSD file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, use Microsoft System Information. Open the file using Microsoft System Information, msinfo32.exe. Next, check file type. Ensure the file extension is correctly named, not a generic data file. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.